How to watch TikTok Lite without internet. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to watch TikTok Lite without internet. So if you just downloaded TikTok Lite and you want to watch without internet, well, that's not possible unless you download it yesterday and make sure you are connected to the internet or just keep using the phone. So here's a technique that I use. You can just download it today, then tomorrow it will have itself a TikTok offline TikTok videos. Even if you don't use it, it will have it will automatically download offline videos that you can watch. So where can you find these offline videos that you can watch? But it can be much more faster to download offline videos or TikTok Lite to download offline videos if you keep using TikTok Lite. But anyways, guys, here I'll be teaching you where to watch them. For example, right here, click on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing on that right there, click on the settings privacy. So here, once you're located here, just go down to you see catch and circular data. So here you see catch videos. So what do we mean by catch videos? So this everything in the catch videos is offline. So click on catch videos. There you go. As you can see, you're watching offline videos. No data is being used, which means you are now watching offline videos. So yeah, there we go. As you can see, we have number of offline videos that has been cached by our TikTok Lite. We have 107. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how easy it is to watch TikTok Lite offline. Anyways, guys, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to question, let me know. Guys, have it done as soon as possible, and thank you, guys.